Hello to all. We will today learn how to write hard words of back of transcription number 5 of Kailash Chandra book in Greg shorthand. We are starting. Wait. You are watching videos made by Saurabh Tripathi. Please like and subscribe the channel if you find the content useful. We are starting. The first hard word of transcription of back of transcription 5 is session. SESSION session. Session is written SESSON. The next hard word is reiterated. Reiterated is written in reiterated and then reiterated. The next hard word is Indian National Congress. INDIAN Indian, NATIONAL National, CONGRESS Indian National Congress. Indian National Congress, if we make all the word disjoined, they will be written like Indian National Congress, but we will join all these words. It will be like INSE Indian National Congress. INSE. Big circle, then N, then SE. INSE Indian National Congress. The next hard word is behoves. BEHOVES. Behoves is written like BOVS and then H here. BOHVS. Behoves. The next hard word is sincere. SINCERE. Sincere is written like SENSE sincere. Sincere. Next hard word is it may be. The phrase for it may be is it may be. The next hard word is relevant. 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 The next hard word is pertinent. PERTINENT. Pertinent is written like PERTNNT. Pertinent. The next hard word is sentences. SENTENCES. Sentences is written like sentences. The next hard word is province. PROVINCE. Province is written like PRVENS. Province. The next hard word is autonomy. 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 Autonomy is written like OTNOME. 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 Autonomy. The next hard word is OTNOME. OTNOME. The next hard word is powerless. POWER. Power. LESS. Powerless is written like powerless. 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 Next hard word is activities. ACTIVITIES. Activities is written like activities. Activities. The next hard word is prerequisite. Prerequisite is written like PRERKEST. Prerequisite. Please like and subscribe the channel. You are watching videos made by Saurabh Tripathi. Please like and subscribe the channel if you find the content useful. Thank you.